Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro USD. The European currency is declined during the trading session on Friday. The focus of investor is the publication of data on the US gross domestic product for the fourth quarter of last year, which turned out to be positive. The US economy grew by 2.9%, which is higher than the expected level of 2.6%. The main driver of such dynamics was consumer spending, which increased by 2.1% and was slightly lower than in third quarter, 2.3%. In general, the state of the national economy gives experts hope that it can avoid recession this year. Today, the economic calendar is almost empty, so the corrective dynamics of the euro may continue. Next, GBP USD. The pound is falling against the US dollar and is holding position near 1.2370. Retail sales data were released yesterday. The indicator fell sharply from 11 points to minus 23 points, which is much worse than the forecasted minus 5 points. The statistics reflected the pressure on British households, forced in turn to reduce demand. We also note the latest comments by Andy Haldane, who recently stepped down as chief economist at the Bank of England, but remains the government's economic advisor. He noted that probably in the current year, the level of real wages of citizens will continue to decline, and further tightening of monetary policy will put pressure on the bank accounts. Given the above, the pound risks remaining under pressure. And finally, Brent. Oil continues to develop bullish dynamics. Oil quotes resumed growth today on the back of high prospects for the recovery of the Chinese economy, as well as more positive than expected data published on the offer report of the US Energy Information Administration. Investors are also looking forward to the OPEC Plus meeting, which is due to take place next week. Given that the level of oil production is unlikely to change, there is a high probability that at the end of the first quarter of this year, there will be a deficit in the market. We recommend holding long position. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.